use cosine law to solve an oblique triangle. Now, before I proceed, let's differentiate first when to use sine law and when to use cosine law. Using sine law is when you obviously have two angles, you can always solve for the third angle, and the priority to identify using sine law are the three angles first. In the cosine law, you have to identify three sides first. It means that at least two of the sides are given or three of them are given. Now, in the condition for sine law, when two sides are given and there's only one angle, that angle should be opposite one of the sides for you to be able to make use of sine law. This is cosine law because you have two sides and the angle is between them. So therefore, these two sides here, there is no angle opposite either of them. So the angle opposite 17 is not there, and the angle opposite 21 is not there. So therefore, we can make use of cosine law. This is a situation of SAS. So you have a side, you have an angle, you have another side. So therefore, we need to solve for the third side, which is this. Because to use cosine law, you have to identify all the three sides first. So let's figure out the parts of our triangle. Okay, so identify the letters. So this is A, this is C, and this is B. So we have to solve for B. So when we solve for B, we need to find the formula for B. But how do we know that? Okay, when you're representing the formula for cosine law, the letters A, B, and C are always put together differently. There should be no the same letter written in consecutive order. It should be three different letters first. So I have B here, so I'll make use of A and C and square them. So you have A, B, C. And then minus double this, 2AC. But of course, I have already AC. I'm going to make use of B for cosine. So that's the formula we will be using. All right. So therefore, this will be equivalent to the square root of A, which is 17, plus 21 square, minus 2 times 17 times 21. Repeat them, and then cosine of the angle, which is 46 degrees. Okay, now all we have to do is to find the value using the calculator. So just press, make sure that it's in degree mode, press square root. You can do it simultaneously. 17 square plus 21 square minus 2 times 17. You can make use of parentheses. I prefer making use of multiplication anyway. It would still be the same. 21 times cosine of 46. And therefore, the measure of P is equivalent to 15.29.